Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, what's up? My name is Jade. Today's video is on this look that I have on right here. It is just a super simple, easy makeup look, very minimal products, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do, depending on how long you take on your makeup. I usually take a little bit longer just because I enjoy doing it, but it does not take long at all. And I did this look mostly because I cut my face up here yesterday at work, and I didn't want to apply a full face of makeup just because I don't want to put makeup on that cut yet, and I never do makeup looks like this where I don't apply foundation kind of a thing, so I figured I would film it and let you guys see that. So please be sure to like and subscribe before you leave, and be sure to hit that post notification bell to get notified every single time that I upload. And if you would like to see this super simple makeup look with very minimal products, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to be starting off, and we are going to be doing very minimal makeup, and that is because of this right here. I'm a dumbass, and I hit my face yesterday at work on a cabinet, so I don't want to put makeup on a fresh cut. I mean, it's like scabbed over now, but still, that's kind of gross. So we're gonna not apply too much makeup today, and I never do this. For me, it's like a full face of makeup or nothing at all. Like, there's still going to be a full face, even if it's very natural eyes, still a full face. So we're gonna be trying this together today, because I'm not gonna be applying a full face just because it's gonna look weird if I apply a full face but then skip that area, because even for bronzer and everything like that, it's just gonna look a little weird. So I'm starting off with just clean skin. I have moisturized and everything like that, and I am going to apply concealer just because I have darkness under here that I would like to kind of cancel out. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to start off with just a little bit of it and go from there. So I'm going to start off with just a teeny bit, just right in this region. And then I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge to just kind of buff this out. So I'm going to do just a little bit more, and then I'm just going to apply it kind of in my T-zone. So just a little bit through here, a little bit on the nose, and just a little bit more right through here. And this is just evening out the look, just because Tarte Shape Tape is a more full coverage concealer, and it's just because that's what I prefer, that's what I have, kind of a thing. So we just aren't applying a lot of it is all. Alright, just like that. So that just evened out my skin tone enough for me to feel confident to go to work today with not putting on a full foundation and everything like that. So I am going to do a cream blush before I set this powder that I put on. So this one, I'm using this one right here. Let me see what it is. It's something special from MAC, and I'm going to put that on the Real Technique sponge. So I'm going to put it on the side. So I just kind of dip it into the cream blush, just like that. And then I always put just a little bit on the back of my hand before going in on the face, just to make sure that you don't put too much on the face at once. Just like that, so that just gives the cheeks just a little bit of color. And then I'm going to do just a little bit of a cream highlight. This is the Anastasia Liquid Glow highlighter in the shade Perla. It looks like this. This is the lightest one, I believe. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand So I just put a little dab on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna use my finger and then I'll blend out with the sponge. And sorry if you hear the thunder. We're obviously getting ready to get thunderstorms. So I'm just gonna use my finger and just lightly tap this up through here just to initially apply it. And then I will grab my sponge and I kind of go up and down on cream highlights just to make sure that it's not staying all in one area. Because cream highlights, kind of once you put them on, they kind of want to stay right where they're at. So that just kind of helps to just diffuse it out. And I don't want a lot just because I don't have much makeup on elsewhere besides this. So just like that. So that just adds a little bit of glow to the skin so that it kind of pulls it all together, but it's, again, still very, very natural skin today. So now I need, sorry, didn't grab it. Okay, so this is my Morphe JH07 brush, and I'm gonna use my cover, okay, Hot Mess Express. Okay, I'm using my Morphe JH07 with my CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder to just kind of lightly set over the areas that I did put product, just because I am oily and I can't go without setting them. I will be an oily goob in about an hour. So I am just going to lightly set those areas. I don't want to set them too much because, again, I don't have much makeup on and I don't want to emphasize that. So it's kind of a no makeup kind of a thing. So I just put that on the brush, tap off the excess, and we're just gonna lightly set this. Alright, I'm just going to apply a little bit of lip balm real quick before I move on. And I'm going to use, this is the Baby Lips Dr. Rescue lip balm. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to the lips real quick. And it's just because I always apply a lip balm before I go in with any sort of lipstick. Otherwise my lips look super dry and crusty and I'm not about it. So now I'm just going to lightly fill in the eyebrows. We will see how this goes because I tend to be a little heavy-handed with my eyebrows, but I want to kind of just lightly fill them just since I don't have a whole lot going on the rest of the face. So we shall see how this goes. But I'm going to use my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is in the shade Taupe. So I'm just going to use a light hand when I outline them. Okay, and then I'm just gonna ever so lightly fill in just the rest of the brow. And I'm just ever so lightly putting on the inner corner. This brow, the inner corner, does pretty well. It's the other eye that I have issues with. Alright, so there's the natural brow. We're leaving it alone. Alright. So now let's come over to this brow, and this is always my brow that I have a hard time with, so we'll see how it goes. here are my brows done just a little bit more naturally. So I still filled them in like I usually do. I just used a very light hand versus going in as much as I usually do. And now I'm just going to use the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel to set them in place. Okay, now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara, and the mascara I'm using today is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use the Morphe Liquid Lipstick in the shade Virgin. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline in the shade Baddest Beige and just put this over top. Alright you guys, this is it for this super simple makeup look. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye!